Hello students, in this lecture I'll explain how to convert rectangular to polar and polar to rectangular using calculator. I'm using Casio FX911 ES calculator. Let us define the impedance of a circuit is given by 2 plus J3. I need to convert this rectangular form into polar form. So to convert rectangular to polar form, first you need to press shift and then press X, that is plus button. Okay, so first you need to press the shift button, then press plus button. Okay, that means it is going to select the polar. You can see it within the display polar off. Now what I need to do, I need to convert rectangular form to polar form. So first I need to insert 2. Okay, then after 2 I need to insert comma. How to insert a comma? Shift plus closing brackets. So in your calc you need to press shift and then closing brackets. You can see the comma is introduced in the display. I need to enter 3. After this I need to close the bracket. So then if you press is equal to, you can see you are getting a rectangular form. You will get x is equal to 3.6, r is equal to 3.6 and theta is equal to 56.30. So how to write down in rectangular form? R is equal to 3.605 and theta is equal to 56.3. Conventionally how you will get? Generally r is equal to root of 2 square plus 3 square and theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. That can be done using a calc using the command called as polar of 2 comma 3. Similarly, if at all I want to convert a polar form into rectangular form. So generally how to convert polar form into rectangular form? So x component will be a plus jb. A is equal to 10 cos 45, b is equal to 10 sin 45. How we can use this calc to convert 10 at an angle of 45 into polar form is, we need to use a command. So rectangular form is, you need to use a command rectangle of insert the magnitude and phase angle. Remember, before doing this, ensure that your calculator is in degrees. So if you press mode, shift mode, okay, if you press shift mode, it is going to display the options like this: math 10, degrees, gradients, radians, fixed, normal. So ensure that your calculator is in degrees. Okay, ensure that your calculator in degrees. I need to convert 10 at an angle of 45 degrees to rectangular form. Then press shift minus. That means I need to press shift and then minus in your calc. If you press shift and minus, then you can see in a display rectangular of what I need to convert 10 and then insert the comma. Shift close the brackets, shift closing brackets can insert a comma and you have to insert the degrees, that is 45 degrees, and then close the brackets. Now if you press is equal to, you can see it will give x and y values. What is x value? 7.07 and y value is 7.07. So what is the rectangular form of 10 at an angle of 45 is 7.07 plus j 7.07. Okay, in this way you can convert rectangular to polar and polar to rectangular. Now how to convert the degrees to radians in a calculator? You have to press shift and press mode. Okay, now I can select 4. I am converting degrees to radians. Okay, now if at all I'll use the same formula, for example I am converting rectangular to polar form, that is shift polar of 2, shift close the brackets, sorry, shift comma 3 and close the brackets. Now if you press is equal to, you can see r is the same, that is 3.6, but theta you are getting in radians. What is 1 radian? 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. So accordingly we will get in radians. So sometimes in your calc you may get the answer as theta is equal to 0.9 because your settings in your calculator is in radians. So initially you go for a shift mode operation. Okay, shift mode, then keep it in degrees. Okay.